Hello friends, in the previous video we have discussed about procedural animation, keyframe animation and the difference between keyframe and procedural animation. Now in this video we will discuss about morphing and how to create morphing effect in animation. So let's start. Morphing is an animation function which is used to transform object shape from one form to another. So in the morphing, we are generating a sequence of images and applying morphing approach. The one object behave like a second object. This method is most complicated method. This function is commonly used in movies, cartoons, advertisement and in computer games. Here we can see morphing effect. Here there are two objects. One is human. Here we are taking a lady face and second object is tiger as animal face. So here we are converting human face into animal face. So by morphing we can do this. The human face is converting step by step from human face to animal face. So this can be done by the morphing approach. The morphing process include the following steps. First, when the initial image and the final image are added to morphing applications by using the keyframes or intertwines or twin method. In the second step, the selection of the key point on both the images for a smooth transition between two images. As we can see in the diagram, second object. Now in the next step, the key point of the first image transform to a corresponding key point of the second image as in the diagram the third object. Here we can see there are two keyframes. 1 and 4th is the starting and end keyframes and second where we are adding a key point, and after selection of the key point we are modifying by merging the key point with the first and fourth endpoint and we get the third frame, and this process will be continued till the end of conversion. So this process is morphing approach. Now the advantages of morphing approach is it is quick and good quality images, and this method is very new and efficient method. But there is one limitation also with morphing approach. In this method, the image may be blurred during transformation, especially in the case of translation or transitions. When the frames are transition from first to second and so on, then during transition or at the time of adding key point, the images may be blur. So this is all over the video. Thank you.